Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back guys. So I'll be doing another reaction video to the group RBD. This was a recommendation by a few people and a recent comment, I think it was comment today actually. The day I'm recording this is the day. I saw the comment, I think the person comment on this video, Futuro X Novio. I think the person name is Alessandro, and the comment on the Alessandro post was from someone named Mayflower. I was cackling when I was at work today. I almost choked on my Fiji water today. I said, I know they didn't. So I'll be reacting to the music video. So the person say basically all the guys are in there. All of them is in there. So let's see this. Hopefully YouTube won't block this one. So I'm gonna try to go in and out. Oh, yes. This is my middle song. Oh, I listened to this over the weekend actually when I was out with some friends drinking Crown Royal and some Bailey. Oh, oof. Oh, that looks so good. Alfonso. I can't wait to go to Mexico. Oh, this darn Corona. Come on, Chris. Come on. You better give me the dramatics. Okay. Can't see nothing so dark. Okay. Oh, Alfonso. Oh. She run up on stage. She better go ahead. I would never though, because I don't feel like getting tackled by no damn security. I love his hair color. Come through, body tattoos. Oh my god, this was actually better than I thought. I know they sing before, but this was actually a very good song. It was a very good song. How all their voices blend together. Like I said before, I know they can sing, but this was a very good song. Very good song. But Mayflower, I'm still cackling. You know, I do like to see Alfonso. I really do. I think that's a sexy man. He's a very attractive man. Chris just remind me of college. Christian just remind me of my friends. But Alfonso. I'm still petitioning Netflix to bring back Sense8 because I like that show. I love that show. Since I'm paying like $20 a month, they have enough money to bring back that show. They're making billions of dollars per month, so they should bring back that show. But I want to say thanks to the one who recommended me to react to RBD. I've always said this over and over. Also, thanks to one who brought RBD to my channel. I really do appreciate it. Never heard of this group until I started this channel, and I really do like this group. And also thanks to the ones who gave me this recommendation to this music video, well, live performance to be exact. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to it as soon as possible. Be patient with me, okay? Because I'm trying as best to put out videos after videos. There's some videos I reposted, they don't have no views, but I still react to it, okay? So give me a moment, but thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Who can do you besides you? Bye.